How to fix Spotify stopping music. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, you have to search for Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this, then go to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK, then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.